All right, we're back. I don't know what I'm doing here. I found a website where a guy goes through the internet and finds like good deals, like limited time deals on stuff. And I couldn't help myself. I went to his website one day and I saw he had this thing listed. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. This may be the first step in a multi-step process. So we've got a pretty generic white box here. We've got some labeling. The 13-inch PRES cleaner attachment, new, made in China. The reason I ended up doing it is because the deal was substantial. I price compared to some of my favorite affordably priced Chinese good merchants, and the deal this thing was on blew even those, like, it blew Temu out of the water. And the one on Temu, I mean, it's basically the same thing they're selling everywhere. Not the highest end item, but we'll see how she works once the weather warms up a little bit. It's a little out of season for it right now. So it's a surface cleaner for a pressure washer. Plastic. I didn't go with the metal one because the metal ones are kind of expensive. Like I said, this thing wasn't quite free, but it wasn't expensive enough where I had to think more than about 10 seconds to get it. So, yeah, if you can imagine, we've got the angled pressure jets creating rotation. There's some casters in here. You hook your pressure washer there, and then you got this 13-inch surface cleaner. I got a north-facing driveway that grows a lot of algae, and I used, oh wow, those are the lamest. Look at this shit. Oh my god. That's like the size of my finger. Well, you know, sometimes the deal's so good you get ripped off. What do we got here? We got ourselves a screwdriver, which is nice. A little tip cleaner, wire poker, replacement O-rings, which leads me to believe that you're going to replace a lot of those. These will probably be as good as I would ever need to be, although they're kind of small. Huh. Is that the size that fits my gun? This has to work, dude, right? It has to. There's no choice. All right, let's look at the instruction manual here. Yep. Pressure yards. Got your stuff, your wheels. All right, you put your wheels on, you hook the thing together, you hook it together, and then you hook it together. Definitely not a high-end, super-duper pressure washer, but I don't have one of those. I think it's going to work okay. I read a lot of the reviews, and people were like, you know, right tool for the right job. You're definitely probably not going to start a pressure washing side hustle with the 13-inch plastic surface cleaner. Obviously, the more you bang on it, the more it's going to get banged up. It does have a little skirt on it to reduce the spray. My skirt has some shipping compression going on there, which is, you know, sometimes you get what you pay for in life. Just a, most likely ABS, plastic, whatever. Shroud. Looks like decent hardware. Just these Teflon washers. They did give you a couple of replacements. I don't know. I mean, there's going to be a second video of this in the future because, like, you know, it's January. But I don't know. I do a lot of this on my driveway. And I had a comment that was like, dude, just get a surface cleaner. Like, wait a second. Here we go. How hard are these things to install? Pretty easy. They just drop right in. We'll do the pretend install here. I'm not going to bore you with screwdriver work. Mainly because I don't want to get judged by the professional screwdriver operators of the world. You screwdrivered it wrong. Oh, she actually chooches pretty good there, kids. Chooch. I mean, those are, yeah. I guess this would be what you call an entry level surface cleaner situation. I guess I use this, see how I like it, and if it works out, it works out, and if I like it but it doesn't work out, you upgrade to something a little bit nicer. But for now, on this perfectly smooth surface, this thing is amazing. Whatever. Yeah, there you go. I gotta stop going on the internet so much. Stay safe.